Winter Storm 2.0, holding nice and smooth. And power outage out there in this area. So yeah, scary. Everything is so dark. Look at that. It's gonna be snowing for the whole night and the day and the night. Let's hope it doesn't get that bad. Oh yeah. Look at that wind. 36 miles per hour winds out there too. So you got yeah, this is a 35% ceramic tint. So it's nighttime, it's dark out, there's no lights as you can see. It's yeah, pretty dark out. See, the light was not working either. It's funny how those school lights are working, but not the street lights. Oh yeah, but this is how much you can see with 35% tints with complete darkness outside. For those who were actually asking about it, now you guys got a video. Yep. So stay safe, people out there, and yeah, just wanted to share a quick short video with you guys. I figured I'd share it while just make sure you guys turning, just go slow when you guys are driving out there in the winter, wherever you may be. Yeah. So even the gas station lights, everything is out. It's crazy. Everything is out. Yep, turning like 5 miles per hour just to make sure I'm not skid, whatever, slip anywhere. Traction might go off, but yep. That's it, fam. So peace out. Stay safe out there. I'll deal with this for one more day.